Hi, I'm Deanna with H. Potter, and this is the GAR 196 copper urn and the GAR 232 copper pedestal planter. Crafted to be a centerpiece anywhere it's displayed, this large copper garden planter fits perfectly on our pedestal planter for extra height and grace. Each grand urn is hand-hammered, creating a unique texture and beautiful copper finish on every one. You may choose to use this luxurious urn to plant your largest ornamental trees or attract butterflies and birds to your outdoor living space by planting wild flowers. Use in pairs to make a dramatic entrance on the deck or patio. With a rustic copper finish and dimensions of 25 inches diameter and 29 inches height, the grand urn is truly a garden heirloom that will last for generations. Next, let me show you the GAR 232 copper pedestal planter that is a must to have to hold your grand urn. GAR 161 or GAR 162 lawn ornaments. One purchase, multiple purposes. This fantastic piece is made from 100% copper and stands 20 inches square and 15 inches high. Make your backyard living area a beautiful showplace with the GAR 196 copper urn and the GAR 232 copper pedestal planter.